Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the send and receive errors in the Outlook application. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. I'm just going to share to you a very simple fix for this. So open your Outlook application on your Windows. Now once you open your Outlook application, then here you have to click on inbox. So if you have a lot of inbox or a lot of items in your inbox, then you can just simply delete those unnecessary items on your inbox, because there are some cases that your inbox is full and then you cannot receive messages. So you can just simply clear any of the inbox or any items on your inbox which is unimportant or unnecessary, or which you have already done reading like that. So just simply make a right click and you have to select delete. So you can simply make a right click on that item on your inbox which is unimportant or which is unnecessary, and then go to your outbox too. This one, make sure that if there are items on your outbox, you need to send them again, because there are some cases that if there are large files on your outbox, and then they will just be placed or stored in the outbox, so you just have to resend that mail. So once that is done, then just simply close out of here, and then in the Windows search bar, type services best match, simply click on that. Now the services window will appear. So just simply scroll down to the G section, G as in guava. This one, and you'll find here the Google Updater Internal Service. So these are two services, the Google Updater Service and the Google Updater Internal Service. What you have to do, simply make a right click, select Properties, Startup Type, change that to disabled. Then you have to click on Stop, Apply, and then OK. Also for the next service, which is the Google Updater Service, make a right click, select Properties, Startup Type, change that to disabled, click on Stop, Apply, and then OK. And after that, just simply close out of here and then make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your window. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.